guys! Kumusta? So, I'm finally back after 1 year of leave. So, life after giving birth with my baby was really hectic. So, as a first-time mom, medyo nangangapa pa ako. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko, sapat ba yung ginagawa ko. And I was just enjoying and I just embraced motherhood, and then I just go with the flow with every day. To be honest, I really had a hard time with schedule. Sobrang nahirapan ako mag-cope up and then mag-film. Motherhood was just very overwhelming for me. Also, I am full-time breastfeeding and I am a stay-at-home mom. I do as much as possible as to manage our home, also to full-time take care of our baby. And I really wanted to do updates regarding my baby and also my postpartum. Ang dami kong video line up na hindi ko na nagawa, and also meron akong mga clips na hindi ko ma-upload kasi napaka-hectic lang talaga nung naging buhay ko. So, by the way, if may naririnig kayong ingay, it's raining right now, and also nandito yung aking pinaka-cute na kasama. So, she's very attached to me. Ang hirap mag-film. I'm not yet halfway sa video ko, pero may makulit nang nasa likod ko. Sinusuklayan ako. Magulo siguro buhok ko. Ay, nako. Right now, I already have a 17-month-old toddler, and sa lahat ng first-time mom dyan at stay-at-home mom, alam ko hindi ako nag-iisa. Yung minsan na the time na makakagalaw ka lang is yung tulog sila, but sometimes yung naps nila is very short na minsan wala ka na ding magawa. Minsan yung 5 minutes na gusto mo oras para sa sarili mo ay hindi din nangyayari. So, sobrang hirap lang talaga for me. And I really missed you guys. So, I really missed doing videos, uploading, and I'm so really excited to be back. And I'll try my best to really make more videos from product reviews and lifestyle or travel dito sa loob ng bahay. And I'm also trying to do vlogs also, any updates regarding parenthood, and probably just about my life, makeup, everything that's in between. So I hope that you are excited to see more videos from me, and please do comment what videos you want to see on my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Please hit the notification bell to be updated of the uploads in my channel, and I hope to see you on my next one.